I'm Gabrielle Angel Lilly, and I want to tell you about my fantastic vision for a global network of Unity community centers in which people from different varieties of different ages, different ethnicities, different cultural backgrounds, and different financial statuses can come together and create and enjoy art and music together in such a way that it helps promote global peace. And the way that I'm going to do my little part for that is to start by building one and then hopefully get teams around the globe to help me build 50. But I'm going to tell you about the first Unity Community Center that I want to build, which is in the shape of two dragons kissing, wrapped around in a big circle. And in the center is an amphitheater, which would be mainly outdoor but enclosed by the circular building so that it can be covered if need be for performances and for outdoor dining for a little cafe. And the heads of the dragons will be greenhouses that will grow food, and there'll be lessons about how to grow that food, microgreens, and probably some aquaponics, hydroponics. And then in the bellies, there'll be a tapas cafe, an art gallery, and on the other side, a high-tech positivity minded media center where people can get kind of hand-picked positivity based movies and books and other stuff like that, t-shirts even, whatever's approved for whatever's. That's the other thing that needs to be appropriate for each Unity Community Center is going to be tailored, custom tailored to the area that it's in. I plan on starting the first one by the end of this year, and I will be putting up a website real soon that you can tap into and help me out because I'm going to need some help. So